Hi guys, it's Michelle. So I haven't made a one-pan meal with cabbage or I guess coleslaw for a long time. So I think that's what I'm gonna make today. That tastes delicious. So I'll start by frying 1 pound of hamburger, about 1/4 of an onion, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic until the hamburger is all browned and cooked through. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add 1½ cups of rice. And I've pre-cooked this rice already. And then we're also going to add our coleslaw mix. I would buy a head of cabbage, but it's only my husband and I, so it would probably go to waste, and this has carrots in it, so I like buying the coleslaw instead of the cabbage. Give it a bit of a stir. Alright, now let's go make some peanut sauce. Alright, to make our peanut sauce, we're going to add some peanut butter. Some lime juice, or rice vinegar if you like, some soy sauce, some brown sugar, some pepper. I'm not adding salt because the soy sauce already has salt in it. And we'll give it a quick whisk. I'm going to add a little bit of water just to break up that peanut butter. There, it's getting nice and smooth now. It might take a little bit, but it'll come. A bit of a taste before I add it to the rest of the ingredients. It's really good. Need a little bit more whisk. Alright, let's go add it to the pan of ground beef, rice, and coleslaw. Alright, let's add this pizza sauce to the mixture in the pan. Give it a stir. Oh, the smell is so good. That tastes delicious. Now at this point, when you're serving, you can garnish it with some green onions, chives, sesame seeds, whatever you prefer. But this is it, guys. It looks delicious. It tastes delicious. And I'm so happy I made it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.